What's going on, Nature and Family? Mike here, back with another adventure. Today we're joined with JPVideos as we are out here in Blakely, Pennsylvania, following Hull Creek, and we're going to be making our way to Hull Waterfall, otherwise known as Blakely's Waterfall. I'm going to meet up with JP now. He's doing his intro, but I just want to say, if you're new here, hit that subscription button below. Join the naturing family. Definitely get out here and follow me on these adventures. Join the rest of the naturing family. To all you guys subscribing, thanks for following along, and we're gonna make our way to the beginning of this adventure. We're gonna get to the trailhead and carry on. So stay with me. As I catch up with JP, we're gonna bring you back when we continue this adventure. So thanks, guys, following along. Well, guys, we're already starting this adventure off pretty nice. As I'm going to meet JP as he's starting his intro, I already see Hull Creek. And I want to take a walk down and give you a good look, and also show you this little bridge. And as you can see, our friend QT has already been here. But here's the what's left of this stone bridge. I'll give you a shot out over the creek. You can see the wall of the bridge here. That's all collapsed. I'll zoom in a little bit. But that piece right there used to be attached against that side of the wall, just ripped away due to the erosion. I'll actually break down here and get right next to the stream for you guys. Got a little bit of rain the other day. I'll just show you, look how beautiful the ice is all over these little rocks. So nice. And there again is looking underneath the bridge. I mean, you're tucked right here inside this little ravine. Such an incredible area so far. Well, let's just see what else we can unlock here. But JP's waiting up ahead. We're gonna go meet up with him and continue on. Hopefully get some waterfalls in sight soon. So stick with me, and we're gonna run up to JP and carry on. I mean, look at this view here. Right below into that deep pool. That cave. JP spotted something up a little bit higher. I'm gonna climb up and give you guys a view of what he saw. Here's another shot looking above this beautiful waterfall. But this is what JP noticed. Sorry, just climbing over logs. That looks like a nice cave, guys. To get to it, I mean, we could cross over these rocks and take a glimpse, or maybe find a shorter way upstream. So if you want, I'll back this camera out. Maybe we'll try to make our way over and give you guys a glimpse of what's inside. There's JP going for it. He wants to go see the cave. He's already across. Absolutely. But here we are. I'm going to try to cross this. Sorry for the sniffling. It's a little chilly out here. We're only in the 20s. But we made it across, guys. We're gonna make our way up to this cave entrance. I'll follow JP down a little bit. Here's the light.
It's not a cave.
Yeah, it's definitely not a cave.
See the timbers there. I'm gonna go a little further.
All right, guys, just stay with us. We're gonna go down just a little bit further and take a look. It looks like it's all filled up.
Go back to left here.
As she's getting lower, he says it does travel down to the left. What it is, as you can see.
Yeah, it goes down under that rock, the top there.
Back there in the corner it goes. I'll zoom in. On the other side.
This looks like possibly maybe a prospecting line.
That's pretty cool here. I love how still clear the water is.
Yeah. No rails, but definitely signs of timbering and stalls.
Yeah.
Looks like they, yeah, there's a vein of coal right here. So,
Jay mentioned there's the coal of Jay's shining.
15 inches tall, not very profitable material.
Small vein of coal down here, as Jay's describing. But this is pretty neat to find. I'm gonna pause you here though. I'm gonna get my flashlight out of the backpack, get a better look too, so hold on, guys. Okay, so we're back. Got the flashlight out of the case. JP's coming back in. But down that way where my flashlight head is, looks like that's where the mine runs. We thought it was a cave coming in. The water's crystal clear down there, and it looks like it also travels this way too, down to the right. So it looks like there's two entrances over here and over here, but I'll stand, even you could stand up in it. This is so cool. And there's the vein of coal that run down. We're gonna get up out of here. Carry on the rest of this hike, but just wanted to pop in and show you that discovery. Like I said, we thought it was just a cave. When you first got to the exit or the entrance, yeah, it just looks like a natural cave. I'll zoom back out and yeah, here's the entrance. You never know. This is a little more grown in. Again, what a fantastic discovery. I mean, that's just right there next to the water. So we just left the cave, and again, I just wanted to give another look here at this little chute. I'm loving this area already, guys. I'm hoping you are too. It's such a scenic place. Again, we have more of the big boulders just being cut right in the middle with this stream. All right, we're making our way back across the creek here. It's trickier than it looks. Yeah, you have the loose rocks there, unbalanced with all the camera equipment. But made it across. Here's a little pan action of the place we're at right now. Just checking out this little stream. We have Jay testing out the underwater camera, so definitely go over to his video and check that out. He's gonna get some cool shots of what's going on under the water. So definitely go over there and give it a like. I'll leave the link to his video when he posts it down below. But again, I mean, this is a beautiful, beautiful place to just stop and take in the scenery. I mean, just these icicles glistening here with the waterfall behind it. Magnificent. So guys, how you liking this so far? Got the beautiful water here in the background. This beautiful scenery. Got the mossy green rocks. We're just tucked here in this little valley here, this little gorge area. This is how you spend your days off. Just enjoying nature. Just wanted to just show you, I mean, this area is unreal. First time back in this section. I mean, I played basketball on the courts and everything down the ways, but never would have thought to come back and explore here. So very glad JP asked me to come along for this. So thanks guys, and we're gonna continue on this adventure shortly. So before we head up to the main trail, I just want to show you just how many of these little falls there actually are. I mean, just little fall after little fall. It's incredible. Just can't wait to see what's up ahead. It's gonna be great to show you guys and have you come along with us. But we're gonna bring it back to the main trail and continue on this great adventure. Came off the main trail a little bit here, and you could see the old piping here used for mining. But I wanted to give you just another look down here just at how beautiful this area is. I mean, it is just filled with these slides of crystal clear water. And they're everywhere. Take you up further. And just look at all that ice. Just running down. Incredible views. Okay guys, I'm back with you. Just look at that beautiful slide there into that deep pool. That's something else. But yeah, we crossed all that mess over here. And just look at this little dam built. And that's all stacked stone, stepped up. Looks like a little channel. It's quite interesting. See if I could duck underneath this tree. And this is a look right at the wall. And as you can see, there's looks like the steps of the dam wall, or what I'm saying is the dam. Could be something else. But that runs all the way up. Wow, guys, this is impressive. Look at that, we're on a pebble beach.
There's something man-made over here. Did you see it?
The wall?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was just at the bottom of that. I think that's the dam, right?
Yeah. See the gate up there?
Yeah.
This is my favorite area right here so far.
Yeah, this looks like a little oasis, like a little beach. Somebody dammed it.
Yeah. It's about 3-4 feet deep there in the deepest part. This would be a nice swimming hole in the summer.
Yeah, guys, this is really clean water too, it looks. I don't know why it's not coming in crystal clear, but looks here like somebody dammed it up to pull this water up to make it their own little swimming hole. But this is absolutely stunning. I mean, just look at this side view. Water just spewing over. And how cool is this? Before I go up to the top though, I will try to get you a nice little pan shot of this area. And that's looking right out down creek. Yeah, this hole's stream is very impressive to say the least. Definitely a hidden gem here in Waverly or in Pennsylvania in general. Yeah, this is why we come out and hike, just to get these beautiful views. Yeah, look at that zoom in view, JP up on top. Water just splashing off the rocks below. I'm gonna back out of this view and we're gonna climb up to the top of the fall. I'm gonna take the unconventional way up the side. But just look at, I mean, you could really hear it. Just look at that view, guys. I mean, just magnificent. Here at the top of the fall, I mean, the water is so loud. You have your own little pool down there. This is breathtaking. I'm gonna flip you around and show you everything that's here. Guys, just take a look at this environment behind me. The sun blazing in my eyes. It's a nice cool mid-20s out. I mean, water as far as the eyes can see. This place is something special. Look at this fall that I'm standing at right now. Let me see if I can zoom in. I mean, look at that. Super, super beautiful area. I mean, the water is just flowing everywhere. Puts a smile on your face being in an area like this. I mean, just the sounds. It's absolutely amazing, guys. Thanks so much again for coming along with me. Well, guys, making my way up to that spot. I mean, it's just pool after pool of just beautiful spots. I mean, look where JP's hanging out. There's a gorgeous clear pool right below him. I'm telling you guys, this area is gorgeous. And that's not even the best part. I mean, just look up ahead at this giant slide coming down the mountain here. I'm gonna try to sneak through this little passageway. And I mean, look how just beautiful every little piece of this area is. And you have your ice everywhere. Followed by, check this slide out, guys. I'm standing at the bottom. And I mean, this is a very steep slide. Fall down that, you're gonna be in a little bit of trouble. I'll tell you that. Wow, guys, that's so cool. This is impressive. And again, it leads down to another giant pool of water. And this is right on the way to what I want to show you to begin with. It's right there. It's an old mine that's gated off. Kind of make my way up to the top though and give you a little glance inside. Oh yeah. Here's the mine entrance here. It now looks like it's a bat sanctuary. Let me get my flashlight out. Yeah, and that looks like it's not flooded, but you can see steam or ice coming out of there. A lot of ice down there. Yeah, let me see if I could zoom you in and yeah, look at all the ice down there, guys. And over there to the left, it looks like the cave does go on further, but this one isn't flooded. It's just a little covered in ice. And again, here's the entranceway. Again, it is gated with a back gate. But again, another unexpected find along the way. Pretty interesting. Yeah, I just wanted to show you this. You can see how it looks like it's just notched out of here. And they made the now entrance, or now defunct entrance to this mine. You can see more concrete down here leading up to it. And you'll have metal screws and that sticking out of the top. Right here. And that's again just feet from the Bat Cave. That's so many great finds today. So many great finds out here on this trail. Halls Creek is not disappointing. I can tell you that. And again, here's a shot. Looking up this gigantic water slide. And it's called a water slide because of how the rock is just a big flat surface here, just like a sliding board. And you catch a little bit of that, there's no stopping you with this rush. You're going all the way down, and that's some fast-moving water. I slid down something not nearly as fast as this water, and it took me about 15 yards downstream. And look at that little tiny rock holding up this giant boulder. Gonna get away from that. Here we are, guys, out in the middle, right here where the slide is, out in nature in all of its glory. Look how gorgeous this whole place is. We're gonna be crossing the stream here, making our way to this side, and we're gonna carry on and hopefully reach one of the last falls. I'm gonna try to get us up right to the top, so stay tuned, guys. We're still going. We're still making our way to the top. Thanks for sticking around with us. All right, we stopped again for more pictures and more filming, but we're gonna continue on up to the top, guys. This beautiful area. I mean, this is just water everywhere. What do you think? I think we found the new swimming hole. I mean, after every one of these pools, or after every one of these falls, there's a giant pool. It looks like they're all blocked off. Just pop, 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 pop. Yeah, we'll be swimming there in the spring, guys. And we're gonna get real close to the slide right now. A little bit of snow here left on the mountain. But this is it. I mean, that looks like an amusement ride. This is really cool to be this close. You can feel the breeze now from this water. I mean, it's cold out, but it still feels so refreshing. I mean, just take a look as we walk down along it. I mean, this is, I know the camera's not doing any justice. It spills down to where we were earlier taking pictures. But this is phenomenal. And this has to be, from what I read, one of the bigger rock slides in the area. I mean, I can't even go on to tell you how long this is, but I know if you took a misstep from anywhere we're above JP, there's no way you're catching your balance. Absolutely not. And I mean, this flows quite well up behind this. Here's a view looking up at JP. It's actually a really good shot looking down. I'm on this giant boulder. And I can't tell you just how impressive this is. Let me spin it around and get a look. Here's just a little perspective. High above the water slide here. We have JP down there, or back there I should say, enjoying, getting some B-roll. But guys, take a look at this area. I mean, this is something else. Trying to get the whole thing into frame. I mean, this is a beautiful area. I can't even get enough of it. It's absolutely stunning, guys. Let me just turn around here. There's another view looking back. Try to get JP in frame. Sorry, I'm standing on this boulder. I'll give you a look at it. But look at this. Biggest water slide in the area. Right here, Blakely Falls. I mean, this is fabulous. I mean, the sound of it, can't ask for anything better, really. And this is a beautiful shot. Water roaring behind me. I mean, thumbs up. Thumbs way up. And here's the view. I'm up here on this rock, trying to get this camera around. And this is my view. You know, JP's all the way up there. There's JP filming. But this place is something special. This is magnificent, just walking right next to this. I mean, that's speed and power right there. There's looking down into the forest. But I don't know. If you guys are enjoying the content, definitely give a like. And if this is the kind of content you like seeing, don't be afraid to hit the subscription button and come along on all these journeys with me. We got a lot planned for spring and summer. And here we are, up at the top. And I mean, gosh, that's something else.
Look at people on the corner.
I don't know if I want to. Here's the slide, it tucks around. And it looks like we got a giant waterfall coming around the edge here. I'm gonna zoom you in. See that water flowing back there? That's the waterfall. That's Waverly Falls. My goal now is to cross over and get to the top of that, because from what I've read, it's one of the more difficult places to get a picture of the waterfall. So that's what we're out here to do. We're gonna get as close as we can. If I have to take a trip down this slide in 20-degree weather, that's what we're gonna do. But hold on, guys. I'm gonna pause you here. I'm gonna look around, try to find some spots to get to the top of the fall. Well, guys, it's a little loud back here, but here's this little gorge area leading to the main fall. There's a zoomed in view, but you know I have to get over there. I'm gonna pause you here, get my camera in my backpack, and I'm gonna try and get onto this rock, climb over to here, and climb up this embankment. So stay tuned, guys, for this journey. We're gonna get to the top of that waterfall. Okay, guys, I'm bringing you back. Like I said, we successfully navigate that big boulder down there at the bottom. Came across, crawled up this steep embankment, and here we are, right at the tippy top of that fall. Just looking right over. I mean, this is fabulous. But I want to show you another great thing I spotted when I was up here. Look at this tunnel, guys. This is another place where we're gonna have to come back when the water's not as cold. And I mean, take a look at this. I mean, how cool is that? I mean, this takes you right underneath one of the highways here. We'll zoom in. Takes you right down, right underneath the road. That's another place we're definitely gonna have to. You coming around? Come and see. Yeah, so JP's gonna try to make his way over and check this out. I kind of took the more direct, rugged approach. There's JP over there. Safety first, which is always good. I'm gonna be the one that's gonna take a dip in the water. I'm gonna bring it back over. I'm gonna show you the large waterfall a little bit more until JP gets over here, and then we'll take a look at that together. And again, guys, this is the main attraction. I'm just gonna try to put my gimbal on the tripod. And here's another look right over the edge. Oh. That's just looking directly over. I mean, that's high up there. Like I said, the flow is ridiculous right now. We've gotten so much rain. And on the way down, I'll cross the side where JP's coming down, and I'll give you a better perspective looking across from the waterfall. But again, here's looking all the way downstream, and I mean, we are high up. Again, looking directly over through the mist. This is what it's about, guys. Right here. Just getting out in nature and exploring your world. Just right out in your backyard, this is. Well, for me it is, but it could be out in your backyard. Just, I mean, magnificent drop. Beautiful waterfall. I mean, I'm so happy right now that we found this. It's fabulous. 20 feet high, I'm gonna say. Maybe higher. But it is gorgeous. So glad I saw it. Can't say enough about it. Can't say enough. I mean, there's ice down there. I mean, the ice is everywhere. We had a little bit of flurries coming up. I don't know. Absolutely blessed. But I'm gonna turn us back around, and we're gonna meet up with JP right now. Jumped across the creek, got a foot wet. That's all right. Only the boots got a little bit. But we're gonna turn you around here and give you a gorgeous view of this fall. Ready? Now, how beautiful is that, guys? I mean, that's unbelievable. I'm gonna get us a little closer though. So hold on, guys. Well, we just came from up on the top where JP is, down this steep cliff. I might be a little hard to hear me, but here we are. I mean, this is as close as you're gonna get to this waterfall without being inside it. I mean, this is a masterpiece of a waterfall. I mean, it's tucked in a peculiar spot where you really can't get a good view of it, because it is tucked in right behind this little gorge area, so it's quite difficult to get a clean shot of it like I'm bringing you. I mean, this is in the little oasis. I cannot wait to see this in the summertime. Wow, guys. I'm gonna pause it here and just give you a good shot of this waterfall, and I'm gonna check it out just a little bit more. Hey guys, what's going on? We're here at the bottom of the waterfall. And I mean, it is roaring. Hall's Waterfall absolutely did not disappoint. I'm so excited I got to see this. I'm glad JP brought it to my attention. I mean, this is another one of my favorite areas to visit. I mean, absolutely stunning. But we're gonna climb out of here, make our way back to the top of the trail, and probably end our video there, unless we catch something else along the way out. But all in all, I mean, it's been a beautiful day. Out in the 30s, warm waterfall, wind. This is incredible, guys. I'm so glad you guys are here. We'll flip it around and we'll continue moving on. Okay, guys, we're gonna climb out of this area here. And yeah, we gotta climb out of this. So we're gonna climb out of here and meet back up with JP and see where we go from here. There's another beautiful shot of the falls area. At least I know I have another close spot to home where I could come and just take the camera. And again, just look at these views from up here. I just can't get enough. Here's another view from the top, looking down out this full area below. There's a shot right above the slides. Another cool feature of this area. And I mean, this is just shockingly gorgeous. I don't know how many times I said gorgeous and beautiful, but this place is something else. Well, guys, that's going to do it for today here at Halls Creek. I mean, another unexpected, beautiful place that I'm glad I got to experience and bring you along with me. I mean, I was blown away by all the scenery, waterfalls. I mean, you name it, this place had it. I mean, just look at this backdrop behind me. It's like something out of National Geographics. I mean, you got the water just roaring down the hill. This place is absolutely stunning. I can't say much more, but if you're in this area, in Pennsylvania, just get here. It's a very short hike. You have tons of pools, tons of waterfalls, tons of slides to check out. I definitely encourage you guys doing so. And again, thanks so much for coming along with me on this journey. And again, if you want to be part of the naturing family, hit that subscription button below. Give me a thumbs up, let me know I'm doing the right thing, and we're going on plenty more adventures when we return. So, thanks guys. This is Mike, out naturing.